Hey there, girlfriend. Are you a busy professional who wants to define your features and do beauty your way with back to school beauty pencils? Where you are in the right place. I am so excited to share these pencils with you today, and we will see you on the other side. Hey there, my name is Ingafay, and I am a Mary Kay Beauty Consultant. And today I am so excited to share with you a collection of versatile lip liners and eyeliners that will help you define your features, that will help you extend your lip color wear and also do your beauty your way. And today we're showing you the waterproof Mary Kay eyeliners. Now, these pencils are for beauty professionals who just enjoy having options. Girlfriend, is that you? Well, you are definitely in the right place. If you love changing your lip color or creating or defining a look that allows you to have your unique touch with your makeup, the pencils are definitely where you can do this. When you use a lip liner, you can outline your lips, or you can actually fill your lips all the way in, add a lip color on top or a gloss, and it really gives you a custom look. And I know personally for me, I love reds and plums. So when I choose lip liners, those are typically the colors that I choose because those are typically the colors that I wear. But there's every now and then that I would love to have a truffle tone lip color. And that's just really a natural tone that allows me to complement my skin tone. It gives me a more softer and more natural definition, and I'm still able to keep my lip color on and look polished, because at the end of the day, that's what it's about. Now, these beauty pencils are ideal for allowing you to really show your uniqueness, to show your personality based on your mood, maybe your outfit, or even the occasion that you are attending. So if you are all about being versatile, type me in the comments. We want to know who you are, girlfriend, for sure. Now, when it comes to the lip liner, you can create a cat eye. You can line your upper lid, you can define your waterline, or you can do both. And the thing about these lip liners is that it gives you a soft, simple, bold, but dramatic look that gives you, so you can have exactly the look that you want. Now, before I go on, I actually want to show you some of the lip liner colors that we actually have. So this is the lip liner, and it comes in, I believe, 8 different colors. That's what it is. It's actually 8 colors that you can choose from. That truffle is the one that I was just telling you about. But you see, you have an abundance of different colors that you can actually pick. Now, one of the things that I actually love about the lip liner is that, you know, it can just easily be put on. You just pull it off and apply it straight on without any problem. So it's really easy to apply. You just pull it out and make it work. Now, this one actually is a different color. You can see it's an orange. This was a limited edition color we had a while back that I absolutely love. And if I want to go bold, or if I want to kind of shift the lip color that I am using, I love to use this color. And that's why I really love that that's what makes it different. Now, the lip liners that we use are waterproof, they're fade resistant, and they help your lipstick and lip gloss stay on longer. They also include vitamin E and hyaluronic acid to help condition your lips and really help you keep your lips moisturized. Now, let me just give you a quick insider tip. Now, your lips have no oil glands. So you want to have products that actually are going to moisturize your lips, because your lips are naturally dry. So you want to make sure that the products that you're using are products that will enhance the moisture of your lips, because when your lips are dry and flaky, they really your lip color doesn't look as good. So make sure that you keep that in mind when you actually are looking at products. And of course, if you're using Mary Kay and you're using these liners, you don't have that to worry about because it's already there. Now, I want to also show you the eyeliners that we have available as well. So I'm going to go to the eyeliner tab now so you can check these out. Now the eyeliners that we have basically 4 colors of eyeliners. And they come in brown, the gray, blue, and the traditional black. We also have this limited edition eyeliner. It is emerald, and this is one of my favorite colors, y'all. I actually absolutely love this. So if you're looking for something that really make your eyes pop, the emerald looks great on, especially if you're wearing green. Of course, you can coordinate it with your outfit, or even if you're going to a specific occasion. So you definitely want to make sure that you kind of dabble in it. Don't just use the same old. Step out your comfort zone, do something different, and really try something that really helps you accentuate all of your God-given positive. Greens also look good on brown eyes. Blues look good on brown eyes. So think about your eye color when it comes to choosing your eyeliner, because that's also going to help you really make your color pop and really accentuate all of your God-given positives. Okay. Well, I don't want you to take what I'm saying for as the law. I want you to hear from other people. So I want to now show you some of the reviews that we have gotten on the eyeliner. Now you can see the eyeliner has a 4.6 out of 5 rating. So let's just go in here and just see what folks are saying about it. Okay, looks like the majority of them are 5-star. The first comment is, I have nothing to compare this eyeliner to, as I am new to this, but the sharpener is on the cap. Oh, it says it breaks off. So she has had experience with the sharpener breaking off. So again, I want to be completely transparent with you guys. So that's one thing that they are saying that was bad. And let's see, this one right here, I use this for years, but it seems like it smudges more, and it's definitely not waterproof. Oh wow. And she would not recommend it to a friend. So I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see this one right here. Let's see something on the positive note. This says she is obsessed with the waterproof eyeliner. Her eyes water a lot, and this liner goes on smooth and easy without tugging. Game changer. She would recommend it to a friend. So people have different opinions for sure. Let's see this one right here. This is another person that says it glides on easy, loves the eyeliner, is easy to apply. She loves the color slate. So again, I want you to try this. At the end of the day, it's really going to be based on how it works for you and your beauty routine and your beauty regimen. I know people have had negative reviews and positive reviews, but I wanted to be completely transparent to show you both, so that you could see both of them and have a better sense of it. The great thing about this is that you can try this online through our Mirror Me app. So we looked at the eyeliner. Let's take a peek at what they're saying about the lip liner. So let's go to that particular one. I'm going to show you that one as well, so you can see what they're saying about this. Okay, so now we have, this one gives a 4.7 out of 5, so it's a little bit higher rated than the eyeliner, but let's see what folks are saying. It has 62 5-stars. This is the second one. It says she's been using this lip liner for over 10 years and she's never found anything better. She orders multiple today to give as gifts because I get so many inquiries about the vibrant colors. My friends are always surprised to see how it stays on even after eating and drinking. She recommends this product and it's a must-have in her makeup bag. So that's for one. Then this is another. She said she tried this in the past and loved it, and she would definitely suggest it to a friend. This lip liner says it goes on smoothly and it blends in with her lipsticks well. The only disappointment is that the coral shade was discontinued and she wants us to bring it back. So again, we want to hear from our customers. I wanted to share these with you to give you real world experiences with the product, so you know exactly what people are saying and how they feel about the product, so you can try it for yourself, or try it for yourself and really find out how it's going to work for you in your beauty regimen. Now, I want you to share this video with 3 of your girlfriends, because I'm sure you got friends that want to rock their uniqueness by using beauty pencils. So share this with them. Change your lip color. Do a dramatic eye look that really accentuates your eye shape and color. Do you, boo? You know I am all about that. So share this with your friends. Scan the QR code, of course, to get to find out more about the eyeliner, and the links will be down in the description. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.